Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews on top-rated products. Today, we're diving into the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 Steam Mop and Handheld Steam Shot. If you're looking for the best automotive detailing steamer, this product might be the one for you. With its powerful steam capabilities and versatile design, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor cleaning needs, making it a must-have tool for car enthusiasts and homeowners alike. The BISSELL Power Steamer 2685AA is a multi-purpose steam cleaner that offers impressive performance across various surfaces. Whether you're looking to clean your garage, workbench, windows, or even the interior of your car, this steamer has got you covered. It can tackle grime, grease, stains, and even mold. Thanks to its powerful, high-temperature steam, it quickly eliminates dirt and bacteria, ensuring that your spaces remain spotless and sanitized. This steamer isn't just about cleaning, it's about transforming the way you care for your home and vehicle. One of the standout features of this product is its 3-in-1 versatility. It transforms into an upright mop, a handheld cleaner, or an extended-reach steamer with ease. This gives you the flexibility to clean floors, upholstery, car interiors, and even outdoor furniture with just one device. It's perfect for getting into hard-to-reach places or for when you need a more compact tool for detailing your car or boat. The inclusion of 26 different attachments allows for even greater customization depending on your cleaning task. From fabric steamers for your car seats to grout tools for those tricky bathroom tiles, this steamer does it all. Another key selling point is its chemical-free cleaning system. With this steamer, you can sanitize and disinfect without the need for harmful chemicals. It eliminates 99.9% of germs and bacteria using just the power of steam. This makes it a more eco-friendly option, especially for those who are sensitive to cleaning agents or want to reduce their environmental footprint. The variable steam modes and on-demand trigger give you complete control over the steam intensity. Whether you need a heavy blast of steam for tough grease or a lighter setting for delicate surfaces, this steamer offers just the right amount of power for every job. And, with the convenient wall mount for easy storage, you can keep it neatly tucked away when not in use, making it a space saver in your garage or home. But it's not just about functionality, it's also about ease of use. The BISSELL Power Steamer is designed for comfort with a swivel head that makes it easy to maneuver around obstacles and into corners. The lightweight build means you can clean for extended periods without feeling fatigued, which is a huge bonus if you're planning on tackling multiple areas at once. The tank is easy to fill, and the steam heats up in a matter of minutes, so you won't be left waiting. It's a great time saver, especially when you need to get a cleaning job done quickly. Whether you're detailing your car, cleaning your kitchen, or refreshing your outdoor spaces, the BISSELL Power Steamer ensures that you're equipped to handle it all with speed and efficiency. In conclusion, the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 Steam Mop and Handheld Steam Shot is the best automotive detailing steamer on the market today. Its versatility, power, and efficiency make it an ideal choice for anyone who wants to keep their home, vehicle, or outdoor spaces clean without the hassle of using harsh chemicals. Whether you're tackling tough stains in your car or giving your floors a fresh shine, this product delivers exceptional results. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews like this one.